The last page that we're doing today, construct the segment or angle that is congruent to a given segment or angle. So we're just reviewing what we did on the first 2 pages. So for 1 and 4, we're going to make congruent segments, and for 2 and 3, congruent angles. So reviewing the steps for a congruent segment. Step 1, draw a segment longer than the original. This would be A, B, and this is R. Step 2, measure the distance from A to B. And then use that measurement and put it on R. Make the same mark. While we're making congruent segments, I'm going to jump down to do 4 as well, so my brain doesn't have to go from one thing to the next. Rude.
No, it's good that
I know it. So A, B is congruent to RS. Zoom out. Okay, now I'm going to do 2 and 3 congruent angles. So this would be A, and then I'm making a ray here. Then I'm going to draw an arc that crosses both rays in this angle. Then measuring the distance from B to C. That's all. Okay, once you're done with that, you can actually just turn in your packet. I'll give it back to you on Thursday when we continue, but that way you won't lose it. So, what's that? Okay, that's fine, just don't lose it. But yeah, so because of testing tomorrow and Wednesday, I'm not going to do it on